I've got an iPhone X in with the damaged battery connector. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this one off this donor board and put it on there. Okay, so here we have the battery connector. As you can see, that's the VCC main, and then you've got the two data lines. So this data line that's missing goes to this diode and then to this charging MOSFET. So I don't like really working on these glass diodes, so we'll see if we can dig up the via and connect to that. That's the little glass diode that I was talking about, so we don't want to touch that. So let's expose a little bit more of this via so we can tin it up and attach a little trace. So with that all tinned up and cleaned, now we can just quickly attach this little trace to the via, and we'll add some UV coating to give it some strength and secure it in place. Once that's cured, you can drop on the new connector and just touch up all the points with a little bit more solder. Now that they're all on, we can just concentrate on connecting that little trace that we did to this data connection. And again, give it a little bit of a clean and a little bit of conformal coating just to secure it in place and keep it protected. So we'll just put it back together, put the little foam gaskets back on, stick it in the housing, and make sure we've got a battery data line working. Yep, as you can see, it's showing the battery health. And another test I like to do is plug it into 3U Tools, and if you click on the actual battery life details, you'll get all the information that you need to know. Job's a good one.